too many tractors anymore, can you get custom colors done from the factory? Valtra was one of them.
Down.
Oh, you're on the truck.
Get her and I'll be going already.
Yeah, okay, yep.
What's up? Shut it up.